So when you post your work online, it feels like a very tedious task that doesn't seem to go anywhere, or at the very least, it's hard to see any sort of momentum being created when posting online. But you never actually know who's watching the content that you're putting out. Just because someone doesn't engage with your content, it doesn't mean that they're not watching or supporting you. A lot of people that watch your content are going to be silent viewers, and not everyone feels the need to comment on everything that you post. So it gives us the impression that no one is watching, or less people are watching. Oftentimes, there's that one person who is silently watching what you post and is loving the content that you're putting out and wants to work with you one day, but the timing for them isn't there yet. But keeping a consistent habit of posting your best work will constantly remind those who are interested in working with you that you exist and that you're consistently working. The more that you show that and the more that you grow, the greater impression it's going to create for them. And when the time comes for them to hire you for a gig, you'll be the first one on their mind because you put in the work of marketing yourself consistently. A little over a year ago, I met a client who randomly emailed me out of the blue saying that she loved my work and that she wanted me to help her produce her podcast show. And when I asked her how she found me, she said that she had Googled me. And I was just like, Google me? Must have taken forever to find me because I don't do any sort of SEO for my business. And her response was that she had spent a lot of time researching production companies through the inner depths of Google and was looking for someone that was the right fit, and what convinced her to hire me was finding my website, my social media, and seeing the portfolio of work that I was sharing. And something that I had posted was exactly what she was looking for as far as the look and the feel of the video. A photographer I met while skateboarding has been hooking me up with a lot of jobs because he said that the cinematography stood out to him, and he felt confident in referring me to his clients that had video needs. And it all just started with me meeting him, chit-chatting, and then adding each other on Instagram. A producer that I hadn't worked with in years kept watching my content on Instagram, and he noticed that the quality had gotten better since I had previously worked with him, and the gear I was using got better. So when he finally had a gig to bring me on, I was the first one that came to mind. And these were people who don't always actively engage with what I'm sharing online. So from these experiences, I learned that it's really just about the quality of the view rather than the amount of views you receive. They may not have been doing the things that social media considers good engagement, but from a business perspective, a good engagement can be something as simple as being an active viewer, whether they actually engage or not. So that's the video, everyone. You never know who's watching, and just because you don't have a ton of engagement on your videos doesn't mean the effort that you're putting in isn't worth it. Just keep pushing through it and just keep having fun. Thanks for watching, guys, and check out the channel if you want to see more from me. And I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this. There's plenty of other videos that you could be watching. The fact that you chose to watch mine means a lot to me. So thank you again. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.